What up, everybody? Freaking the other day when me and Nick were out dirt biking, my dad did something, man. He went and picked him up a new truck. It's been like 15 years or so since he got a new rig, so let's go look at it, boys. You guys ready for this? Freaking Pops is king of the road again, boys. Sheesh. And he got the color I wanted, man. He got that freaking Arctic Gray or whatever it is, Avalanche. Oh, dude. I was so hyped because he always gets black or white trucks. Look how good that looks, man. And he's got the big dog. You know what that means, boys. Oh, rumor has it these are what turned the world. So I'm just going to show a bunch of shots of the truck, kind of go over it. We'll talk over some details and specs of the thing. And then, unfortunately, we're busy today and tomorrow. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Me and Nick are going to go dirt bike St. Hollow, but we're busy working around the house today and tomorrow. So in a day or two, we'll get this thing out in the sunshine and finish this video. Get some better shots for you guys. But yeah, let's dive into this. The 2026 F-350, baby. Alright guys, this is the all-new 2026 F-350 Platinum with the high output, the king of the road. This truck has the 6.7 liter high output Power Stroke V8 turbo diesel engine, putting down 500 horsepower and a mind-blowing 1,200 foot-pounds of torque. Paired to a torque shift 10-speed automatic transmission, 4x4 drivetrain with ESOF, optional electronic shift on the fly. This truck's capability is insane with high capacity gooseneck package, which this truck has. Max towing up to 40,000 pounds, max payload up to 8,000 pounds, a 34-gallon fuel tank, and a 250 amp alternator. For the suspension, you get heavy-duty gas shocks, solid axle rear with leaf springs. My dad will be adding bags for towing. Another cool feature you can get with this truck is engine exhaust braking. That's pretty cool. As you can see, the interior is insanely nice, and boy are those seats comfy. Heated, cooled, massaging power seats, a panoramic roof which is sick. I love mine in my F-150. Also comes with heads-up display, large center screen, it's massive, and premium audio. The technology on this truck is also insane. With the Ford Co-Pilot 360, this truck might have more cameras on it than a Tesla. The Co-Pilot 360 includes adaptive cruise, blind spot, cross-traffic alert, and also Pro Trailer backup, hitch assist. This truck also has Wi-Fi hotspot and a remote start. The exterior came equipped with power retractable running boards, which is awesome. I love those on my F-150. Integrated tailgate step, LED lighting, and alloy wheels. Alright, that's enough of the specs. Let's hear what my dad's thoughts are, the likes and dislikes from the old truck to the new truck, and some of his plans with this new badass rig. Then we will finish this video with some goodbye clips of the old truck. My pops owned that thing for half my life. It took us so many places, never let us down. It's hard to say goodbye, but it was time. Now let's get some clips of that truck out in the sun and talk to my pops. God damn, the color on that truck is beautiful. Clean, man. Right up. Sounds good too, it's not quiet. Yeah, the first thing this truck towed was my S13. How fucking sick is that? Yeah. Alright, Pops, you've been driving this truck for a minute. What's your likes and dislikes versus the new and the old? You got any particular thing? That's a good question. That is a good question. That's why I asked. Well, that old rig was a killer rig too, man. I guess I don't like to paint it. Yeah, these things are hefty price tags.
But there's nothing to dislike. I don't have any complaints.
Yeah, it's an amazing truck. Oh, we found out that this truck does have the scale on it too, so that's pretty sick. Though it doesn't work exactly how we thought. It just tells you the weight on the tongue, right? Not like the actual toe weight, yeah.
Yeah, so you don't get the truck overloaded.
Hell yeah. How are the seats in that thing, dude? Driving around, they're so much comfortable. I love that back piece that's on them. Does that come with that model, or is that like an add-on?
You have to get a platinum or special order to get that seat.
Hell yeah. Dude, I'm also so hyped you got it in that color, bro. It's such a good looking color. He's like, what color do you think I got? And I'm like, knowing this guy, either black or white. He got the freaking, it's Avalanche, right?
Yeah, Avalanche.
Fucking beautiful truck, man. I got one last question for you. I seen you already got the bed liner done and the tents on, which looks freaking good. They killed that bed liner, by the way. But is there anything else you're gonna do to this truck? Probably some bags for towing.
Yeah, I'll probably do airbags. And then I gotta get my other fuel tank in the bed, so just increasing my range. And
Yeah.
yeah, I don't think I was gonna level it, but I don't think I need to.
Yeah. These springs are more heavy duty than the old truck too, aren't they?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's got 12,000 TVWR, whereas the older one had 11.5, so you get another 500 pounds of carrying capacity out of it.
Oh yeah. That's pretty good. You gonna throw some wheels and tires on this thing? Haven't decided on that?
I don't know, man. The more I look at these, the more I like them.
Really? They are growing on me too. I didn't like them at first because they reminded me of trailer wheels, but they are growing on me. They do look good. They just match the truck.
Yeah, they look good. I was thinking I was going to,
Yeah.
but
Why fuck with protection, man?
I think we'll just drive it for a while and worry about that later.
Fuck yeah, dude. How's it feel to be king of the road again, man?
It's pretty sweet.
Fuck yeah. This man hasn't bought a new truck for like, we had that old truck for like half my life, man. That thing took me everywhere. Sad to see it go, but it was time.
Such a good job.
It was, man.
Yeah, I just gotta get used to it. I mean, the old one, I sat in that thing, got in the seats, and it was just, you know, wore in. It fit me like a glove. And
Yep.
now things are a little different, and so just gotta get used to it, and it'll be fine.
Plus there's like 100 new computer freaking things, assists and all this stuff. I thought the hitch backup was really cool, the hitch assist. That's pretty sweet.
Yeah, it just has, the amount of stuff on it is ridiculous.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
just ridiculous. You don't need all this shit.
No, but you can have it. Oh yeah, man. That's the other really cool thing about this truck too, is it came with that freaking tow package. It's just a sweet little ball that it's got like a push pin type thing on it, and you just pop it in there. Good to go. Chains hook. That's freaking sweet, man. That's real slick. Now you don't have to buy and put one of those heavy ass motherfuckers in. Hell yeah, dude. Nice truck, Pops. You deserve that thing, bro. It's one hell of a rig. One hell of a guy.
Rated for the capacity I need.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's true. Plus then you'll have those stupid key lugs that you have to fucking deal with constantly too if you do wheels.
I feel like those are stronger than.
They probably are.
Those
It says they're
aluminum
alloy
ones
wheels,
we
so.
buy. I don't know if these are steel or aluminum.
When I was looking it up, it said alloy. When I was looking up the
That
specs for this
probably
truck.
aluminum.
Yeah. But yeah, that's why I was asking if you were gonna do anything else with it, because you kept the old one stock for 15 years, man.
Oh, why spend any more money, man?
That's what I'm saying, bro.
It's so you can-
The truck gets the job done. That's all a truck's needed for. Some.
I think it looks fucking just fine.
Fuck yeah. Oh, it definitely does, man. I love the, one of my favorite things too is this little American flag they put right here on the side. They trim. When the doors close, you can see it on both sides. It's freaking sweet. And that feels awesome. The suede on the door, so fucking nice, man. What a truck. But yeah, these are those seat pieces I was talking about. They just, fuck, it's so much more comfortable on your back, position-wise. Oh damn, he's flexing on me. Sorry, F-150. You're not quite that cool. Now that's a rig right there. That's a real man rig. Freaking sorry for the mower noise. When I was over there asking my dad those questions, the neighbor was out on his sit-down mower, and my dad just got on his, so I was like, go challenge the neighbor to a race. Race down the fence line, loser buys a six-pack. That's how you make friends. That's fun. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Cool little in-look at the new freaking 2026 F-350. What a truck. God damn, I'm very happy for my dad for getting that thing, man. He deserves it. What a badass rig. Love the color too. I hope you guys like this one. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Support your boy. And I will see you in the next one. I'll finish this video off though with a little farewell clips of the old truck. What a rig, man. Really sad to see that thing go. My dad said he almost cried, gave it a hug when it went. I feel that.
You guys are on KCYBC?
Yeah.